Hi! Today, we take a closer look at Beyond Attributes Core. As the name already suggests, you can create attributes to save characteristics. These attributes are available for items, fixed assets, service items. I will show you how you can use Beyond Attributes Core. Let's think of a fictitious company that deals in new and used cars and sells many similar vehicles that are difficult to distinguish. Apart from purely visual distinguishing features, such as the vehicle color or the interior, additional information may be relevant for potential customers. These characteristics may also provide valuable information for the employees. Think, for example, of the engine power, fuel, transmission, drive, and so on. You can store all these features and information with Beyond Attributes Core in Business Central. In the info box at the right-hand side of the screen, you can see some attributes for the cars of the dealer. To create more attributes, we navigate to the Attributes page and click on New. We enter the name of the attribute and then choose which type of attribute should be created. There are several options to choose from. The sorting number field is used to define the order of the attributes. In the Activate on Entity tab, you can define if the created attribute is used on items, fixed assets, or service items. As you can see, creating an attribute doesn't take long, so let's enter a value for the engine power attribute, and then I will continue to show you how you can create an attribute with multiple selectable options. By the way, did I mention that we can easily extend our app to be able to use the attributes on any other list? If you want to use our app Beyond Attributes Core, but it doesn't cover the records you are looking for, just drop us a message and we will provide a solution for you. Once you added the available options to the attribute, define the entity for this attribute and you are good to go. You can then use the attribute to store more information about your records. The available options can be selected from a drop-down list when you click on the corresponding attribute. If you are working in a multi-language company, you can add translations to your attributes as well. First, you navigate to the attribute for which you want to add a translation and select the translations action from the menu. On the Attribute Translations card, you add the language code and the translation for the attribute. Here we added an English and a German translation. If the value for the attribute is not a number, you can also add text translations for it. Click on the available values and select the translations action. Save the language code and translation for every available value option. We already defined an English and a German translation for the attribute, so the available options for the attribute have to be translated as well. Just download Beyond Attributes Core from App Source and start your 30 days trial. And if you are a Business Central partner, we're happy to welcome you as a reseller. This is Beyond IT.